What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. I'm going to give you guys a quick update on what's going on with the 280Z that we're working on. 280ZX 1979. Now this thing has 50,000 original miles on it, and the owner, his sister, bought it brand new. We've got the window sticker for it. We've got the markup sticker. This is a very cool, sentimental car. Let's take a look at the condition of it when it came in. This is the oxidized side here. We've got a little bit better paint down there because the sun wasn't hitting it right there. And here's the back here. We've got just flat, dirty paint. And then as we come around here, this is how it's coming. And this is a really fun project. It's gonna look amazing when I'm done with it. We're gonna zoom out here real quick. And it's coming along really nicely. Now, we got this thing running for the first time in 22 years, but it might have some issues internally because it's just stopped running again. It's making some clunking sounds. So hopefully it's a timing issue and we're not gonna have too many issues with that. As you can see, pretty dirty under here, but we've cleaned it up over here. We're gonna do some dry ice blasting under the hood. Pretty nasty under there and underneath the car, and I might be doing some undercoating, but it's a cool project. You guys stay tuned to see more. I'm gonna have a whole entire video. It's gonna be pretty long because I'm documenting the whole process, and I'll show you that later on the video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell button if you want to keep track of what's going on with this cool little car, and I'll have more info for you guys later. Bye.